to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you through my ultimate everything shower routine. Before we get into the shower, I need to set the mood, and that starts with tea. I'm brewing some chamomile tea to help me sleep better. And then we're taking it into the next room to add the next element to my vibe, lighting a scented candle. The mint organic candles are nice and smell good, and nights like this aren't complete without it. Last thing to set the mood is some music. I gotta have some nice tunes in the background, you know. I picked the Casey Musgraves album, Deeper Well, to listen to and connected it to my Bluetooth speaker so I could hear every single note. The vibe has been set, now it's time to go to the bathroom. First thing I'm going to do is wash and apply deep conditioner to my hair. This is going to sit on my hair for a bit, so I want it on first before I get into anything else. For the wash, I'm using the As I Am Coconut Co-Wash, and to deep condition, I'm using the Miele Deep Conditioner mixed with some cherry powder. I've found that since I've started using cherry powder in my routine, my hair is softer, stronger, and much thicker. This has become a regular staple in my routine now. After I cover my hair with a shower cap, we now move into hair removal. I'm using Veet and applying it to my armpits, legs, and bikini line. Now, onto my face. Starting off with washing my face with the Face Facts Ceramide Blemish Clarifying Foaming Cleanser. This will make my skin nice and soft and perfect for shaving. Using this eyebrow razor, I shave my face about once a month. I have PCOS, which gives me a hairy chin and a soft, hairy fuzz on the cheeks. It also helps with exfoliating the skin. Next up is the Acne Niacinamide Daily Cleansing Peeling Scrub. It helps to further exfoliate the skin. Plus, it's green. How cool is that? Once I rinse that off, we go into the final exfoliating product, the Banish Pumpkin Enzyme Mask. I've been using this for years and I love the results so much. Discount code in the description box below and on screen if you want to try their products out at a cute discount. After about 20 minutes of the mask doing its thing, we move into the shower. First, I'm going to be rinsing off the Veet and hair. Then I'm going to use the Brighten Uni scrub from my armpits, thighs, elbows, and knees. To be honest, the texture of the scrub is so confusing. Like, is it a soap? Is it a scrub? Like, I don't know. But I like using it. Then I'm using this coffee scrub that I found at NY Supermarket. You can watch my hygiene shopping video for more info about that. Finally, it's time to rinse off my entire body, the conditioner off my hair, the mask off my face, and the scrub off my body. It feels so nice after doing all of that to rinse everything off, but we're not just done yet. I'm going to wash myself using the Astonish Citrus Breeze Shower Gel. As you can see, it's already halfway. I love the shower gel. It cleans my body without leaving a film and it smells amazing. And with a final wash and rinse, we are done in the shower and now heading back to my room. Starting my nighttime skincare routine with the Ole Henriksen Glow OH Dark Spot Toner, I'll pat it into my skin and follow it up with the Innisfree Hyaluronic Acid Plus and pat that also into my skin. On a night like this, it is only right we use a face mask. I got this one from Miniso and I put it in the fridge for a little bit, about 20 minutes before using it on my face. The coolness of the mask feels so good. Like, I highly suggest people do this. While the mask is doing its thing, I'm applying the matte face and body radiance oil all over my body. It smells amazing and deeply nourishes the skin. After about 20 minutes, I'll remove the mask and rub the rest of the mask serum into my skin. Then I will apply my retinol. As a 30 plus woman, this is necessary for me. Then I'll use the Ole Henriksen Strength Peptide Moisturizer. And finish it up with the Tati Harper Retinol Oil. Another retinol, but this one is super nice. I always wake up with the glowiest skin the next morning every time I use it the night before. Let's not forget my hair. I can't just leave it dry like that. I'm going to be using the Kinky Apothecary Whipped Shea Butter to add moisture to my hair. For my lips, we're using Vaseline. It's the only thing that has really worked for me. After all of that, I just have to admire my skin. I look so glowy and beautiful. A final swig of the last of my tea, and now we're heading off to bed. Now I'm going to crawl into bed and put on a sleep story on YouTube. It helps me to relax and sleep better at night.
Welcome to Get Sleepy, where we listen, we relax, and we get sleepy.
With my sleep story on, once I switch off on the lights, it's bedtime for me. And that is it for my ultimate everything shower. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please not forget to wash the subscribe button so you can join my family here on YouTube. Also, do not forget to rinse the notification bell so you always know whenever I upload a new video. And finally, apply the like button so you can like this video and tell YouTube that this video is awesome and it can recommend it to other people as well. Do not forget to be awesome, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!